Look what I found. An upside down faucet. It was so upside down. And I can't believe that thing is standing on its tip. That's just crazy. Oh, wait. It's not standing on its tip. Well, I don't know. Well, this thing, I'm walking on this. And that floor right there, that's the ceiling. You wanna know why? Because that Frosted Flakes is upside down. The calendar is upside down. Everything is upside down. Especially those bananas. So much upside down stuff. So much. It's just so crazy. Upside down garbage can.